Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix PayPal sending money errors. First, always double-check the recipient's email address or phone number. A simple typo can prevent your payment from going through. Next, confirm you have enough money in your PayPal balance or linked bank account to cover the transaction. Finally, take a moment to review your PayPal account for any limitations that might be blocking your payment. Addressing these 3 initial checks can resolve many common issues quickly. Payments can fail for several reasons. Often, it's due to insufficient funds, either in your PayPal balance or your linked bank account or card. An unverified PayPal account might also have transaction limits, preventing larger payments. Sometimes, the issue is as simple as outdated or incorrect details for your linked bank account or credit card. Additionally, PayPal's robust security systems might temporarily block a transaction if they detect unusual activity, protecting your account from potential fraud. If your payment still isn't going through, try these troubleshooting steps. First, clear your web browser's cache and cookies, or switch to an entirely different browser like Firefox or Edge. Next, log out of your PayPal account and then log back in. This can often refresh your session. If you're using the app, ensure it's updated to the latest version. Finally, try completing the transaction on a different device, such as a desktop computer versus a mobile phone, to rule out device-specific issues. When basic troubleshooting doesn't work, it's time for more advanced solutions. Check your PayPal account for any security reviews or requests for additional information that might be holding up transactions. If you have multiple payment methods, try using a different one. Also, some financial services block VPNs, so temporarily disable yours if you're using one. If all else fails, gather your transaction details and contact PayPal customer support. They can provide specific guidance for your account.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.